Hey, welcome to Tarmac. Today I thought I'd take the family on a special treat to Vegas. Only Road to Vegas, that is, in the heart of New Zealand. And how best to get there? Then in the Volkswagen California. This is the Ocean edition. Lovely two-colour blue and white. Sparkling white wheels. Very cool. The California is a modern take on an absolute Volkswagen classic. As most people know, this is the infotainment system. You've got navigation, pretty good for going around New Zealand, applications or apps, menu, radio, etc, etc. But all the fun stuff is up here. Clicking through, you've got your pop-up roof, you've got an auxiliary heater, the refrigerator box, which I'll show you in a minute, certainly works. There are quite literally cubby holes everywhere. Everywhere. The kitchen sink. You've got chairs in the back. Just in there. PG storage. Right under here. Actually, we've used it as more storage area. Who knew? More storage under here, more storage over there. There's even up here into the door. You've got a table for use outside with the chairs. Really is a hoarder's dream.
Information got to go?
Three, two, one, go! There he is. He's in there somewhere. He's like giving birth. How was that?
Good.
Yeah, I'm watching the sun set and the sunrise. Look at him. Sleepy time. It's not a bad sight first thing, is it? Look at that. This morning's view. Proper home for the night. Powered up, ready to go. Now, I'm not saying I don't have a little bit of motorhome envy. There's some big rigs here. Well, as I can show you, the fridge works very well. It's going to take a while. Homemade cooked meal, still possible. Spag bowl, not bad.
Made for me.
See, family dinner time. Nom nom nom. So there you have it. We, the family, and the California from Volkswagen managed to survive a whole weekend down in Vegas, or up in Vegas, whichever way you look at it. Hope you enjoyed the fun, and look forward to catching up with you next time. Make sure you subscribe. It's somewhere, I think it's there actually, but you never know. And look forward to the next adventure. See you.